I'll say, hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Wealth and Commander Wobby Bell Fans of Fulfield, and today I've already whipped some of the packaging out, but today we're gonna be doing another review and unboxing. So this came out of my door. I got another package today, and inside this package is a vintage record. And as you can see, part of that, I cut off. I accidentally turned off my phone during the first take of this. But then I still got some more, so let's continue this and start this unboxing. So, here's this one right here, and oops. Jesus Christ! They showed the time. Okay, I think that'll be enough. Inside this says is an old vintage record, a 45 RPM. This is the Beatles, Wayne, and Paperback Wido. Now, this is a 45 RPM that was released in 1966 by Capitol Records. Text is different on both sides, with Paperback on top, Wayne on top. You see some of the scenes messed up, and but I'm just gonna take it out the packaging cover real quick so I can reveal it to you. Hold on. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now I'm just gonna strip it out a bit, and we feel it's final. There's the final for Paperback Wido and Wayne. Wayne on side 1 and Paperback Wido on side 2. There's that swirly Capitol Records label. It's absolutely in beautiful condition. And there's a signature of some kind on it. I don't know what it is, but whatever. There's a hair on it. Let me take it out. Well. So yeah, here's the final that came. So yeah, so this is the record that came. The Beatles, Paperback, Wido, and Wayne. So yeah, this is my my unboxing and review of the Beatles, Paperback, and Wayne. But don't just stop there. Don't click off the video. I'm gonna do one more video for today. This video there will be a double header on another video sometime later today. And I'm gonna play this final record. Oh, excuse me. Don't know where the hell that came from. I'm gonna play this final record over on my nice full Mustang LP classic car turntable. And we're gonna see how this plays. So yeah, there you have it. The unboxing and review of the Beatles, Paperback, Wido, and Wayne. And as you can see, the cover looks beautiful. Because Yeah, it has iconic photos of all four of the Beatles: John Lennon, Paul McCartney, George Harrison, and Ringo Starr. And the vinyl is in good condition. No scratches on it, nothing. I see some numbers on it. Don't know if that's the weight number or the CD number. Yeah, not sure. So yeah, that's the review, and the vinyl goes well with the yellow and orange sworn together like that. So yeah, that's the review and unboxing of the Beatles single Paperback Water and Wayne from 1966 released by Capitol Records. I'll keep you more updated with more videos for me, so peace out, my favorite web fans and comrades.